What is open-ended about all this is that a single semiotic sign can be perceived by 3 different audience members at 3 different levels. One audience member may only perceive the shapes and never get any more meaning from it beyond an iconic level. Another may see the same iconic shapes and see they form the shape of a panda bear, an existent thing. A final audience member may see the nested iconic shapes that indexically coalesce into a panda, but recognise they refer to the WWF organisation. This is an agreed meaning, a socialised meaning of agreement, a law if you prefer, that is symbolic representation at work. Symbolic is the highest level of sign action within communicating a concept. It is still the same semiotic graphic image constructed by nested iconic marks and shapes. The audience's interpretations close the determination flow loop at different semiotic levels.